plumbing website template with Divi. We'll explore 3 fantastic options, 2 premium templates and one that's absolutely free. Let's get started. Before we start, if you haven't installed the Divi theme yet and need guidance, click on the link in the description below for a complete walkthrough. First up, we delve into the Divi marketplace, where we find a beautifully crafted plumbing website template. Let's click on the live demo to take a closer look. This template features a professional design, ideal for highlighting your services with a modern and clean aesthetic, ensuring a strong online presence. This premium template is available for $49. If it meets your requirements, consider purchasing it to elevate your website. Next, we have another compelling option from Divi Dream. Let's view the website by clicking on the live demo. Here we see a user-friendly layout with vibrant visuals and seamless functionality, perfect for showcasing plumbing services effectively. This template is attractively priced at just $7, making it an affordable choice for a professional upgrade. Finally, we present a free option available through Divi itself, once you've downloaded and installed the Divi theme. Despite being free, this template delivers a polished design with essential features to kickstart your business's digital journey. If you're interested in learning how to create and edit this free website template with Divi, check the link in the description. It guides you through creating a modern website with Divi and WordPress. And that's it.